Well, after 6 days of testimony from an estimated 40 law enforcement, medical examiners and witnesses, the jury in the Stacey Gray murder trial is deliberating to determine his fate. Gray is accused of kidnapping, raping and murdering 25-year-old Renee Eldridge on July 4th of 2015. News 9's Dylan Seymour is live tonight in Uptown Columbus at the Government Center, where the jury is now deliberating. So, Dylan, what more can you tell us about those closing statements in court today?
Yeah, Barbara, both the defense and prosecution made their case to the jury as to why they should find Stacey Gray innocent or guilty. Now, closing arguments wrapped roughly 3 hours ago, and now the jury is deliberating until they can come to a verdict.
Truth is that Stacey Gray murdered his girlfriend's daughter, Renee Eldridge, on July 4th of 2015.
There were other men at the club. I asked one of the witnesses, what were y'all doing? They were like socializing, talking. Stacey Gray is not the only person who could have gone to that house.
District Attorney Don Kelly and Defense Attorney Angela Dillon are referring to a death investigation where allegedly Stacey Gray kidnapped, raped, and murdered Renee Eldridge on the morning of July 4th, 2015. Throughout the 6-day trial, the prosecution said Gray broke into Eldridge's home, waited for her to enter the home to rape and kill her. However, after the prosecution rested its case, the defense attorney motioned to have the murder charges dropped because she believed they pointed no evidence to Gray killing Eldridge or even a cause of death.
There's no evidence of murder in the home. What we had was the ME said that there's no cause of death, or we couldn't determine the cause of death. That it was just homicidal violence.
District Attorney Don Kelly believes DNA evidence does not lie. He says the DNA was positive in 2 rape kits which belonged to Stacey Gray, one in 2014 when she was raped, as well as a rape kit performed after she was found dead. He says Gray's DNA was found under Eldridge's fingernail after she was found laying in the creek.
Major component of these partial genetic traits and the DNA profile of Stacey DeMar Gray match. There is no explanation for this other than Stacey Gray is the person who perpetrated this crime.
Now, Barbara, the jury is currently deliberating. We'll keep you updated on air and online for any new developments. Live in Uptown Columbus, I'm Dylan Seymour for WTVM News Leader 9.
All right, certainly, and many folks following along with this case. We will keep people updated, as you said, Dylan. Thank you.